Welcome all. This is our lecture 22, and in this lecture we will cover the topic frame tag. In the previous lecture we have learned about what is frame set tag and how can we divide our browser screen into different sections and how can work with a single browser window in by many pages. So once the browser screen is divided into many parts, the other task is to load that particular sections with some files or with some external files. Okay, this is all done by the frame tag. As I told you, once the browser screen divided into horizontal or vertical sections as per your needs, after that we will load the different HTML documents in that particular sections, and this is achieved by the frame tag. Simply the frame tag, and the frame tag have some attributes. These attributes are, first one is src. This is same like as in img tag. The src attribute taking the path of the particular image. Here the src attribute will accept the particular path of a file or a HTML file which you want to load in a particular frame. The next one is name. As you have divided your screen into, suppose you have divided your browser screen into 3 or 4 different parts, then you want to load any file in a particular frame, then we must have some name of that particular section so that this will be easy to load that particular file in the specified frame section. Okay, for this the name attribute will help us, and by this we can provide a unique name to the unique sections. Okay, as this is an example, you have divided your screen into 2 vertical sections, 30%, 70%, and here you have provided the first section with the name of main and the second section with the name of part. Okay, and here I want to clear that these frame names are case sensitive, and when you will choose the name, you must focus on their case. The next one is frame border. If you want to add the border, you can add by the frame border attribute. The next one is margin width. You can set the margin width either sides, that is left and right side of the frame borders. This is the margin height. This will left the wide space in the top and the bottom. This is the another attribute, that is nor size. If you will use, then the particular frame resizing capability, you will prevent a user from being able to resize the frame. Okay, as you have mentioned or you have fixed a frame, then by the nor size attribute, this particular frame will be fixed and will not change the shape and size according to the content. The next one is scrolling. Scrolling is most important, that when the particular file has some big amount and must need some and have need some scrolling in the horizontal side or vertical side, then we can use this attribute scrolling to add scroll. So these are the attributes of the frame tags. Here again, I want to repeat this, that these tags are not supported by HTML5. Some browsers are still supporting this. So if your browser allows you to perform these attributes, these tags, then you can perform. Otherwise, it's in your subject syllabus. You can learn it and prepare notes.